talk about this guy. Okay, so for basically everybody who doesn't know, which is basically everybody, we got this masterpiece right here from California. Wait, save your applause. It's a Cali car with a snap timing chain. Okay. Now this is the old head. I haven't taken the valves out to like inspect them. I bought another head. Okay, more head. This is the crank from it. Okay, it looks pretty decent. A bunch of people online say that it's not decent. We're fucking running it anyways. We're running it anyways. These pistons, however, some of them have some questions. Yeah, we can't do that no more. So I did the responsible thing. I took the small block to the machine shop and I said, "Will you please run a bore gauge through my holes?" And as he was inserting them, we found that it's a little bit out of spec at the very top, but I think this is good. So we're gonna run Nippon pistons in this bitch. We're gonna take that block, we're gonna shove it back in there, and it's gonna run. Can we take a bet on how many miles we'll get out of it?
Yes. I'll tell you right now, 150,000.
That's better than a fucking rotary. How many are you betting?
I'm betting 180. Like 1,000.
Okay.
Did you forget the part where this is a K motor?
I think
F motor, same thing.
This is a fucking Honda, and it doesn't really fucking matter. It'll just run.
I think that if we get 80K out of it, it's well worth the money.
Dog, it's gonna run until it seizes. Like,
I think you're so used to rotary life that like you can't fathom that it's just gonna work. It's gonna work. Just put it in the car.
It's already a little bit out of spec. It's a piston motor, dude. They're always out of spec.
From factory.
Yeah, from factory they're out of spec.
I'm not used to this life.
Yeah, it's a piston.
Let me show. Let's look.
Rotary is like, a micrometer out of spec and it seizes, but a piston motor could be like 3 inches out of spec and it'll be just fine as long as it's a Honda.
Okay, this is what we're fucking used to over here, pal. This is a different industry, okay? Different lifestyle, pal. Okay, buddy.
Curve song.
Wait, don't do that. The Bluey, he's repenting for his sins. Stop, you're hurting him.
Stop it, you're hurting him. I thought Nick was legitimately gonna keep that.
Oh, I still am. I still am.
Oh, yeah, you better. You fucking better.
Get splooged. It wasn't gonna be splooged. Nah, I'm good. Thanks.
Take the Bluey.
Thanks, I'm good.
Take the Bluey.
You take the Bluey.
Please don't make me threaten you again.
I ain't taking the Bluey, buddy.
Give me your balls. Here's your Bluey.
I was gonna say this is all caught in 4K. Any deleting of this video is messing with evidence.
I can't tell. You can't tell when I'm blinking.
God damn, you can't see anything in that direction. The light's so bright. You can tell we live in a fucking desert. Well, that's so much better.
You can't see that I'm blinking.
You just
Go
shit your
wipe.
pants, dude. Go fucking wipe.
All right, wrap it up.
Yeah, that's a wrap.
Ugh. Oh, it's heavy. Dropping off Courtney's Type R and in her S2000, and I noticed an opportunity for service. The clutch pedal is clutch pedal's having a crisis. Okay, put some more in there. Is the sludge going away? Yeah. Oh yeah, that's much nicer and clearer than the chalky milk we had. Well, let's go see how it feels. Let's go see how it feels. Oh yeah, that's much better.
Valvoline gear oil.
I want to buy like the 5 or like 10-gallon bucket of just oil because I need it. Oh, it's gonna be a beautiful evening, boys. It's gonna be a beautiful evening.
Hey, yo.
I like being the only American car in the collection of Japanese cars, okay?
He's gay. Our little gay son. Gay son or thought daughter, and we chose. Yeah. No, my fucking hat! Shit. Okay. Note to self, I didn't think you were gonna be going that fast.
Sorry.
Oh, it's a camera guy day. Jaden, explain to the people what's going on.
It's a Ford, so it leaks.
Yeah, it smells like motherfucking oil, bro.
Yeah, it's just dripping down right here. That's bad. Yeah, it's definitely the Ford because you popped the hood and I can smell it.
Oh, Ford's just leaking oil. What's new?
I don't know, I might have a leak.
News flash, fork found in kitchen. It's definitely not the fucking Hondas.
Hey, you listen here. Something, wisdom. You can do it. I don't know.
I didn't take my car today because Courtney didn't want to drive alone, and just decided to take the Type R because honestly the RX-8's pretty loud with that exhaust leak, and I need some stiffer suspension. Hey, what's the place we're going called? It's like Midnight Oil Cafe and Social. Midnight Oil Cafe and Social. Yeah, that's what it is. So we're gonna go there. I'm just gonna get some shots. We went there earlier, but I didn't bring my SD card because I'm a fucking retard. We just want an excuse to do stuff on the weekend with cars. So that's where we're going.
Yeah, he be washing shit.
He was driving basically a car he's never driven.
Yeah, but he's the machine, so like.
No, Vaughn.
Oh, Vaughn. We do. I was thinking that was the moment we walked in. I'm like, wow, we're really doing this.
Shout out those guys real quick.
So, bro left me his camera for some reason. Anyways. Bike in the kitchen. Good morning, kitchen bike. We're gonna go Homies here to pick me up. Gonna go to the older homie's crib. We gotta be ranching. Alright, we took a little side quest. Get some sunglasses. We got some sunglasses. I also left with Bluey.
That's retarded.
Ben knows what he's doing on the grill. I don't. I can tell. I got half the bacon burnt.
Hey, I'll eat the burnt bacon. There's more bacon to cook.
Alright.
The burnt adds the flavor. It's true, it adds the flavor.
It's straight off the coast.
Some slight churn's okay, but burn is crazy.
No, burned is awesome.
Go get some pictos.
Okay, so this is an AP2 swap AP1 S2000. And it's a clapper. God, there's a fucking hair in my face. And it's a clapper. And feels like it's not, guys. It feels like it's some shit going on. So we're gonna do spark plugs, valve adjustment. Then we're gonna go beat the piss out of it. I got a shit.
Again?
Low key.
Yeah, that's why you get educated, bro. They're right on the money.
3 guys doing a one-man job.
That's union, baby.
You're not gonna get it out like that.
Fucking watch him, pussy.
Just because you couldn't doesn't mean I can't.
Yeah, I told you, you're putting it in the circle hole. Stupid idiot.
I just said that for moral support. I knew you could do it. Got the valve adjustment instructions, baby. Can you guys stop throwing fucking rocks?
Can you shut the fuck up? And you want to see how it fits? You know, you gotta, if it drags, you know, too much, it's too loose. But it's gotta be tight, and just like a little bit of drag, and then you tighten it.
Are you talking to my ass right now? Is that the joke? Is it the joke? Is the joke that you're talking about my ass?
Actually, yeah, Horizon 6 is sick for this too.
That's an AC line, so that'll be okay for now. Check out that lip repair. Hold on, how much is still on? Also over here. This lip was really poorly secured on here, and Courtney may have ran it over. We're gonna go see if anything I fucking did today was worth shit. Shit's fine, alright.
He's not helping us.
You fucking cunt.
Yo, Bluey, you're good.
It feels way more spry. Does that feel like yours? Or does it feel slower?
It still feels slower than mine. A little bit.
It does feel slower.
Just a little bit.
Day 6 of asking for the nitrous button.
Give it up for day 15.
Damn, dude, I can never fucking properly shift down into second like that.
And Do you want me to drive for you? Huh?
I want you to fucking come in my mouth.
I will. Conclusion?
I think it needs more power. My conclusion is I do another valve adjustment and then add a fucking turbo.
I think mine needs more power too. But it needs shocks first.
Yeah, fuck. Well, hey, dude, you think this guy's gonna let me buy those fucking coilovers for $250?
I hope he does.